silent of Honorable High Court or Honorable Supreme Court, the department withdrawn the suspension order and he has written that suspension period treated as a duty. My Lord, I draw your kind attention that contempt proceeding S. Datta Chaudhary and Commandant Amilal Yadav personally attend the court and request for apologies in Honorable High Court at Calcutta. But, my Lord, they can't issue the promotion order. The Honorable Court 3190W of 1944 finally decided in 15 July 1988. The Honorable Justice Ajit Kumar Sen Gupta, Honorable High Court, decided this matter that petitioner is eligible for the post of sub-inspector in 1973, as a rank of inspector in 1978, as a rank of deputy in 1988, and DC in 1992, and second in command in 1998, and senior grade commandant in 2003. My juniors already promoted as a rank of senior grade commandant and they retired from service at 2007. My Lord, I draw your kind attention that petitioner posted at Manipur, Imphal. I received a message from IGP Sector 4 that J.K. Misra immediately report to battalion headquarters at Srinagar. When I reached that location, the commandant M.S. Bariana issued a premature retirement from service on 31st August 1996. Again, your petitioner challenged the impugned order of Honorable Supreme Court. The SP Barocha and Honorable Justice B.N. Khere, later on, he was the Chief Justice of India, passed an order that writ petition dismissed, but petitioner entitled for promotion FMA 52 of 1994. This matter already dismissed by Honorable High Court by Honorable Justice Satyabrat Sinha and Devendu Datta. After the Honorable Justice Tapobrat Sinha passed an order on 13th September 2019 that petitioner entitled for 71 lakh rupees. Department Honorable Justice passed an order that quashing the premature retirement and petitioner entitled for all benefit. But till date, Honorable Justice Digambar Datta and Satish Chandra Sharma dismissed the petition when your petitioner filed an application at Calcutta High Court. After this, again I filed a review petition in Supreme Court, but I filed with ticket, but the bench of Honorable Court, my petition did not accept it. For this regard, I came in media and broadcast this matter in all over channel of India. Otherwise, again I move in Prime Minister of India and Parliament. So, your Lordship, I am entitled for all benefit 71 lakh. I am poor person, but the department did not consider this matter and did not pay my amount, and did the Honorable High Court in 3990 2025. The petitioner appear in person and petitioner entitled for promotion according to seniority basis. SP Tripathi and MD Shukla retired from service by 1 year junior, retired from service as a rank of senior grade commandant. But till date, I was recruited as a rank of head constable and retired from service as a head constable. All documents exhibited in court. So, my lord, I request again that may kindly I submit the review petition, and Honorable Justice Digambar Datta and Satish Chandra Sharma did not accept it. Again, I petition filed in Parliament, and after this matter already decided in Parliament, and President already put up an application to Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India. I request him that he kindly issue the necessary action of the department CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. Mr. Home Minister Satish Chandra Bhala, already he is a chief minister, home minister, but he already I communicate the order, communicate the petition to Home Minister, Parliament and President of India. But Honorable Court did not consider this matter. Today I am coming here for media department to broadcast the matter in all over India. Again, I request that Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.